Barbell Backsquat. For this exercise, we're going to make sure that we are loading the bar in a comfortable place on the shoulders and not on the neck. Also, I want to make sure that you enter into the bar the same way every time by marking off. I'll explain as I go. And I want to make sure that you set your feet up correctly for the beginning of the squat. Having a ritual as to how you do this is the best and most effective way to avoid being injured and ensure that your squat is the same every time. So I'm going to walk up to the bar. I'm going to mark off, there's markers on here, okay? I'm going to mark off outside shoulder width. I find that spot on my shoulders where the bar feels comfortable. And then I step back and I place my big toe into the ground on each side and squeegee in my heels. This turns my glutes on. Take a breath in. Exhale up. So I take a breath in.